Hello dear students, we have a problem of JEE Mains 2021 24th Feb आज ही के दिन ये एग्ज़ाम हुआ है। फर्स्ट शिफ्ट का एक प्रॉब्लम है, प्रोबेबिलिटी का प्रॉब्लम ये है जो कि मेमोरी बेस्ड मुझे मिला है कुछ स्टूडेंट्स की हेल्प से। क्वेश्चन, अ डाई इज़ रोल्ड n टाइम्स इफ़ द प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ गेटिंग ऑड नंबर 2 times is equal to the probability of getting even number 3 times. Then find the probability of getting odd number of times. So let's see this problem, how to solve this. So here the die is rolled n times, probability of getting odd number 2 times is equal to probability of getting even number 3 times are equal. So probability of getting odd number 2 times equal to है probability of getting even number 3 times. सो ये क्या होगा बच्चों, ऑड नंबर 2 बार आना है तो फिर n ट्रायल्स में से 2 ट्रायल्स में ऑड नंबर आना है। सो NC2 कि किन दोनों ट्रायल्स में ऑड नंबर आया होगा और इनटू द प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ कमिंग ऑड नंबर की प्रोबेबिलिटी होती है 1/2, 2 बार आया है तो रेश बार 2, और चूँकि 2 बार अगर ऑड नंबर आया है तो बाकी बचे हुए n-2 टाइम्स इवन नंबर आया होगा, तो इवन नंबर आने की प्रोबेबिलिटी 1/2 रेश पावर n-2। तो अगर आप कंफर्टेबल हैं तो आप डायरेक्टली 1/2 की पावर n लिख सकते थे, इतना पूरा लिखने की ज़रूरत नहीं है। सो हेयर प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ इवन नंबर 3 टाइम्स, 3 बार इवन नंबर आने की प्रोबेबिलिटी क्या होगी। सो NC3 1/2 रेश पावर 3 1/2 raised power n-3 both are equal to 1 by raised power n. So this will become NC2 1/2 raised power n, NC3 1/2 raised power n. So from here you can cancel 1/2 raised power n. So this will be n into n-1 upon factorial 2, n into n-1 into n-3 upon factorial 3. So this will give you n-1 will be cancelled because they can't be 0, n cannot be 0, n-1 cannot be 0. So from here you are getting 1/2 is equals to n-3 upon 3 into 2 into 1. So that means n is coming out to be 5. You can solve this. Now the question says find the probability of getting odd number of times. So you know the die is thrown 5 times. Now you want odd number of times. So let us define a random variable x which denotes the number of times odd number occurred. Number of times odd number occurred. So what we want actually, so required probability will be probability of x is equals to 1 means odd number occurred 1 time, or probability of x equals to 3, that means odd number of occurred odd number of times means 3 times odd number occurred, or probability of x equals to 5 means odd number occurred 5 times. This is the only possibilities. If the number of trials are 5, the odd number can be occur either 1 time or 3 times or 5 times if we want odd number to occur odd number of times. So probability of odd number occurring odd number of times will be probability of x equal to 1, probability of x equal to 3 plus probability of x equal to 5. Probability of x equal to 1 will be what? 5C1 1/2 raised power 5 I am writing because it would be 1/2 raised power 1 into 1 raised power 4, so which is 1/2 raised power 5. Here also 5C3 1/2 raised power 5, 5C5 1/2 raised power 5. So from here 1/2 raised power 5 is common. In bracket you will be getting 5C1 plus 5C3 plus 5C5, which is equal to, which is what? Odd binomial coefficient sum. So this is equals to 2 raised power n minus 1 n is 5, so 2 raised to power 5 minus 1, which is 4. So this is equal to 1 by 2 raised to power 5. So the final answer will be 1 by 2. So this is our right answer. Thanks for watching the video.